हेलो दोस्तों। मेरा नाम है दिलीप सिंह कर्रा एंड ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है मर्चेंट नेवी इंडिया। इसका मेन पर्पज है कि एक सही इंफॉर्मेशन सबको दी जा सके और समय समय पे जो इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है वो भी बच्चों तक शेयर हो सके। दैट्स व्हाई दिस channel is made it. Today is our topic which we are going to be, I'll tell you about that. That is fleet ship management. Everybody heard about the name of fleet ship management. Now, fleet is going to be give a large sponsorship in this field. So fleet they have taken one round is already, and second round of sponsorship is going to be start very soon. So there are three institute which they generally preferred. The first one is I.M.I Greater Noida, second is Tolani, and third one is TSR. Now, if you are belongs to the northern side, northeast, or maybe South India, so you can choose the first option, I.M.I. And if you are in Mumbai, Pune, or somewhere, you can choose the second option, which is TSR or Tolani. Anyone you can choose in that. Now they are going to be give very big sponsorship. So if still none of student is didn't apply for this sponsorship, so I will share those numbers in the description. They can call to the institute and register themselves for the examination. The examination date for fleet ship management, it will be on 21st of June will be examination, and interview will be on 23rd and 24th. Now here, the very important thing is, like many of the students or many of the times they ask what kind of syllabus basically and how the examination will be going. So for that, I'm just wants to give little description. For the examination, there will be 50 questions and there will be a negative marking also. And the questions will be jumbled, like the questions are picking from a pool of questions. So there will be a question from physics also, mathematics also, GK also, chemistry also. GK chemistry part may be less. Sometime it may happen for some of the candidate. Sometime it happen, many of the candidate may get little more side of chemistry or GK, but more or less the questions from this only. 10 plus 2 will be considered. Most of the questions from the 12th and 30 to 40% questions from the 11th also. So this will be the syllabus for this exam. I hope if we discuss a little bit about the IMU CET, I think everybody filled the form. So 11th of June, they'll have their examination. Now, after that, later on 21st of June, it will be on Tuesday, you will have an exam for fleet ship management and for sponsorship. So first of all, you will give your examination. Now, any of the student will get a marks of more than 50%. They all are eligible for the interview. Now, this is the beautiful things for the fleet ship management. Like they are giving the chance for everyone equality. It is not some other kind of the things there. If they just need 5 students, so their top 10 they have considered and selected 5. Not like that. Here, whoever will get a chance, whoever will get a 50%, more than 50% marks in a written examination, they all the students are eligible to enter themselves for interview session. Now there is a large seat for the fleet ship management. I know about the I.M.I. I.M.I is having more than 40 to 50 seats for this round only. So there is a big chance to be get yourself. So if you are interested, I'll give the numbers for the institute in description. From there, you can get it. And do register if you haven't registered. Thank you. Please share this information to other students also, so they can also be a part of this sponsorship program. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.